Ensure the recorder and the Wi-Fi cameras are Fusion compatible. Make sure you have up to 2 dedicated channels for your Wi-Fi cameras. And if you have not done so, set up the recorder and update it to the latest firmware. First, connect your Wi-Fi cameras to the Lorex Home App. Log in or sign up, tap the plus icon, scan the QR code on the camera using your mobile device's camera. If you cannot scan the QR code, tap Manually Enter Device ID. Create a secure password for the camera. Write down the password as you will need it later. Follow the in-app instructions to add your Wi-Fi camera to the Lorex Home App. If a firmware update is available, a pop-up will appear. Tap Update to be directed to the firmware page. If a pop-up doesn't appear, you can verify if an update is available by going to Device Settings. Tap on Firmware, tap on Update. Once the update is complete, return to the main page. Repeat this process to add the second Wi-Fi camera. Now, we'll connect the Wi-Fi cameras to the NVR. On the NVR, right-click your mouse and go to Main menu. In the camera registration settings, click Device Search. Now, the Wi-Fi cameras that we've previously added to the Lorex Home App should appear in the Device Search section. Click the checkbox for each device. If you don't see the camera, make sure it's powered on and on the same network as the NVR. Click Add. Now, the camera should appear in the Added Device section. Click the pencil icon under Edit to enter the device password. Enter the password for your camera. If you enter the wrong password, the camera will lock itself. If this happens, remove the camera from the Added Device section and power cycle it. Once you have successfully entered the password, click Connect, then click OK. The corresponding status indicator should turn green. Repeat this process to add the second camera. You have successfully connected your Wi-Fi cameras to your NVR. Now let's connect your NVR to the Lorex Home App. This process is the same as adding a Wi-Fi camera to the Lorex Home App. You should see your Wi-Fi cameras appear twice, once as an individual camera and again as a camera connected to the recorder. We recommend that you disable notifications for the individual cameras so that you do not receive duplicate notifications. From the Devices screen, go to the Device Settings for each camera by tapping the 3-dot icon at the top right. Tap Notifications, and then tap the icon to disable notifications. And that's it! You've successfully set up Fusion on your NVR and Lorex Home App.